A Christmas wonderland in the heart of central Manchester, the holiday spirit lighting up a section of Ward Avenue for 2 decades. It's been a must-see holiday tradition, all thanks to one Christmas-loving couple, Marcel and Garth Fenton.
Every year it gets more intense. We have had choirs who come and sing, do Christmas caroling. We have had schools who come on school trip. We have had, yes, from the orphanage, from wherever. So, it warms the cockles of your heart to see the reception year after year.
Families from all across Jamaica have converged on this area each year to view the lights and to take pictures.
It brings back a lot of what have been missing because the pandemic has put us back, and to see things like this, it seems like we are having a Christmas again.
Second, the bubbles. The kids love. We love to see the kids play with the bubbles.
Yes, bring the light.
Bring the light. Yes.
It's when the kids come here, make me laugh and bring tears to my eyes actually, because I could hear them enjoying. Whoa, that make me motivate me.
But there was a dent in the annual festivities last year. For the first time in 20 years, the lights were not on display due to the protocols associated with the COVID-19 pandemic.
We were hoping that COVID would have gone away in 2021. It didn't, but our spirit was still there. So here we are again, 2021.
With the Christmas feeling.
Yes, man, make the Christmas catch you in a good mood. And that's what it did. It catch you in a good mood, so.
All right.
We have relit.
Each holiday season, these two houses are the most decorated homes on the block, a shining example that the holiday spirit is still alive.
So that is our gift to giving back to our community. Different people do different things. And you hear the laughter and the joy, joy to the world. We're happy for that, yes?
With a ray of hope, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.